Yo, what's going on, my prophets? Your boy Cali here. Trying out a new recording software, see how this works out for me. Um, been busy all day, so I didn't have a chance to write some stuff down and get it together. So I guess I'm going to just do a kind of a market cap and what's going on and a couple of things that I'm doing um, as far as the group and um, some staking stuff I'm doing, and I just wanted to show you guys what's going on. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Market cap first of all, guys. Let me just refresh real quick. 325 billion dollars, which is phenomenal. 17 billion dollars of trading today. uh, Bitcoin dominance is at 55%, guys. But for me personally, it's a high today as far as seeing two things happen. The first thing is Bitcoin, guys, broke $10,000 for one Bitcoin. So that means if you would have bought during that dip in June, or was it July, for $1,800, $1,900, it's worth $10,600 now. And my baby, the coin that I really believe in is Litecoin and Ethereum. Those are like my top holdings. And Litecoin broke 100 today, guys. So pretty freaking stoked. I mean, if I would have had Bitcoin, I would have made more money. But long-term potential, I don't know. I don't know what's what. But either way, I'm making money. Could I have made more? Yes, but I stick to my game plan. Like I said, I'm not a trader per se no more. I'm an investor. Um, Perfect example, Cardinal, ADA. I set my limits, right? My target limits, and I took profit. By taking that profit, now I have 1,000 free coins that it's all profit. So whatever happens from here on happens. I put $100 in, guys. I cashed out $400, and I have 1,000 free coins now. So that's the way that when I do trade, I do. I don't know if I'm gonna buy in after this pullback. I kind of bought. I sold right almost at the top of it. See where Neo is at 37. I think it's at like it was around 40 all day today. EOS, guys, has been like trying to break that $3 what is it, $3 psychological barrier. But once it passes that, I think we're in good shape. OMG just took a big shit, like big. I'm not sure what happened. I haven't really looked at anything, and Bitconnect just keeps, I think, going down. Um, so that's that. Let me go ahead and bring up this screen, guys. Uh, so Um, this is off the staking that I was doing. So I did a video, guys. The coin is hold, and Cryptopia had an issue as far as its um, wallet update. They updated their wallet, and I guess the wallet technician doesn't work on the weekend or something like that. So what ended up happening is they said, "Hey, try this new website, this new exchange. You can get your hold there." And the exchange turned out to be a scam. Luckily, I was one of the few, the first that got their coins out, so I did get my coins. Not only did I get my coins, I actually, because the price was lower on that exchange, I made money. But because I don't think their PR department is handling correctly, what ends up happening is, let me see, where is my mouse on this one here? Okay. What I think what end up happening, because the PR department really didn't do anything. I even touched base with them and said they want to go ahead and kind of explain what's going on and the roadmap, and just bring them on because I think it's a good project. They kind of declined nicely, but 52% down today. I'm thinking about if I should actually go ahead and buy more. I'm not sure. Um, then the other thing that, let me see. So I'll show you guys why it potentially could be big, right? I have this many coins, so I'm down like 1,500 bucks. But if you calculate this, and that's if the rewards were to work the way they are. But because right now everyone's trying, we're at the 5,000 block ROI, so that means uh, the return you're getting right now is 13% daily, um, which is insane. So everyone's trying to get their coin up to 2,500 block. Currently, we're in 2,300. So there's about 2,000 blocks left. After that, it drops down to about 2% a day, which to me is still pretty good. It's as good as Bitconnect, right? So even if the coin drops down, that's fine. But what's gonna happen is I think, like, see, you're getting your 2%, and this is the current. This is gonna be your holdings as they go up, and that's if you don't buy any more along the way. And what happens is, let me just go back up real quick so you see. Um, so at 25, it goes to 750. At 80,000 block, it goes to 1,000. At 130,000 blocks, we go to 2,000 stake. At 170,000 blocks, we go to 3,600, which is, these are the estimated times that we'll reach those blocks. At 1,900 blocks, so 7 months from now, right? In about 7 months, I like around 6 months, I think this coin, if it plays its cards right, it's gonna explode. So it's a long-term hold for me. But the thing is, say the coin is worth 3 cents right now, and around this 7 month period, when it gets this big hype, and everyone starts kind of seeing the proof of stake and how it's working, like a B3 coin and Pi and Ember and all this stuff. I believe, I'm hoping the coin goes up to about 50 cents. So obviously the value of the 22,000 coins is, it's cool, right? I mean, yeah, you'll make a killing, but what's going to be real cool is that I'm staking and I'll have like millions of coins, guys. Millions. So even at the 3 cent mark, I'm still making a killing. So this is a gamble for me, guys. This is not financial advice at all. This is just my opinions and how I trade, I guess. Like I said, I'm more of an investor, and I take about 10% of my net worth in crypto, and I gamble with it, or I go into really low cap things, because what happens is stuff like this does happen where um, I lost 10%. I mean, I lost 1,500 in one thing, right? So, I've been on here with them, trying to talk to them, and um, pretty good crew overall. Inside the thing, they talk good. Um, Let me see what else. Anything else? Yeah. Right now, currently, let's look at the price. Um, the price right now currently is 303. Man, that's, I paid roughly about 800 to 1,300 sats. So this is a deal. I mean, that I feel like loading up, but because I took such a big hit and I don't like the way they're handling their PR, um, you know, someone needs to come out and either, even an apology goes a long way. A heartfelt apology, like, hey guys, we didn't do our due diligence to your own thing. Obviously, you always invest at your own risk, but if I'm on your what is this on your Discord, and you're the one that tells me, hey, come here, and you put it up on your website. See, that's where, if it was just on the Discord, I don't think it would have been so much of an issue, because it would have been like, hey, look, for now you can try this. But the point is that they put it up on their website. And then I go ahead and tell you guys to go buy it, like people in my group, and then they lose money, and it makes me look like a fucking dickhead. And my word is my word, you know. So hopefully, oh, let me show you my wallet since we're talking about it, guys. There's two people in the group. You guys know who you are. Hopefully you watch this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get the full reward, but if I get the reward, I'll give you guys both 1,000 coins because of what happened. But I'm not even sure it's gonna happen because there's so many people trying to uh, get their coins, right? So this keeps going up and up. It was like at a day, now it's at 2 days, and with 2,000 blocks, I don't think I'm gonna get it. So what happens is this goes from 9,000 to 900. So kind of fucking sucks. I took a gamble, like I said. It would have been nice to get, almost half of your coins for free, essentially. And we'll get into what proof of stake is later in another video. So I guess it's just a rant, right? I'm just kind of going on a rant. Uh, dang. Um, it's I stake my Neo, guys, and staking my Neo's been good to me. No, let's close it. So I'm using this new software, so it's kind of like weird for me still. What happens if I do this? Oh, how about this? Whatever. So I mean, you guys saw that, so let me just cut this off. I don't need this no more, so let's go ahead and end this meeting. Yes. So I'm gonna be doing a Q&A. If you guys want to download the Zoom, I'll go ahead and tweet the room number, and I'll put it on the Instagram feed, and obviously in the group, the Telegram group. Guys, if you're not part of the Telegram group, dang, that's what I should have done. I should have showed you some of the picks that we're doing. So ADA was a month ago for me, and within um, a 30-day period, I let me get my Blockfolio. Blockfolio, it's hard to use right now, guys. It's just nuts. So it already went down. That's what I'm saying. You need to take your profit, guys. So what happened is, I spent $108, and right now it's up 415. I made $460 profit, and I still have 1,000 coins for free. That's just one of the picks. People think this is a one in a lifetime thing, and that's why I tell you guys, don't chase a trend, because there's gonna be another trend that's gonna happen. GRS is one of the other ones that took off. EOS, guys, we were calling EOS, and people say buy, but we're giving you, it's a buy now, and usually it takes off around the time that we tell you to buy in. Like I said, with hold from the beginning, I let you guys know that it was a gamble. It wasn't something that I usually do. So EOS was another top pick. Man, we just the crew. First of all, the group is growing at a crazy pace. IOTA, whatever the fuck, Internet of everything. People thought I was crazy when I started talking about it a couple months ago. They didn't see the Tangle technology and what it could possibly do. Well, guess what? Fuck you. It's at $1.45, and I killed it. Substratum. I knew it was going to be huge, especially right after the China thing happened. And one of the few ICOs I've got into, and the ICO has been great for me. I think it's at 30 something cents right now. Rise in the group, we call it 25 cents. Uh, 10x, even though everyone's like, yeah, 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 but we were telling you when to buy, and that was about uh, $1.50, I believe. It's at 269, and I'm just telling you some of these picks that we're doing. VTC, guys, VTC. I have free coins. The same thing I do. Cloak. I've been in Cloak for a long time. I sold. I rebought. So the thing is, we try to give you signals, but more than anything, we try to educate you on how to do things. I'm gonna be just the time conflicts with a lot of these guys. Uh, we're gonna come out with a training series of not just trading, guys, but actually investing and trading, because I swing trade. If anything, I don't day trade. There is profit to be made, so we'll go over all the styles of trading. So just be on the lookout. If you guys don't follow us, make sure you follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. We have our website. We have our mastermind group that is um, just really growing into its own thing now. We're actually trying to think. We're thinking about going into Discord because it's getting so big so fast. Um, but just keep in mind, guys. Always do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is just our picks, our view on the market, and we're very bullish on crypto. So for now, it's your boy Cali, and hope you guys have a good night, man.